Hey guys, it's Chris and Sophia, and today I'm going to be doing another squishy experiment, and I just took a bath, as you can probably tell, and I'm just going to show you guys the squishies that I'm freezing. So, yeah. So here are the squishies that I'm going to be freezing. It's this macaroon, green macaron, and this is actually pretty squishy. Well, it's fast rising. Other I'm going to be putting the squishies that I'm going to be freezing in this little Ziploc bag. I'm going to be freezing is this hamburger with some drizzles and sprinkles. This is actually pretty squishy. Oh. Okay, my camera is too shaky. Okay. Next squishy I'm going to be freezing is this star-shaped drizzle bun. Is this bun with a star-shaped drizzle, and yeah, this is really soft, by the way. So yeah, squishy I'm gonna be freezing is this heart-shaped macaron with a happy face, and this one is actually pretty squishy. Whoa, the lighting is so bright. Okay, as you can probably see, it's pretty squishy. Squishy I'm going to be freezing is this toast with a smiley face that's looking down, and this is actually really soft. Let me just focus the camera. Okay, so here's the squishy. Last squishy I'm going to be freezing. So yeah, this is actually pretty soft and actually pretty squishy. So yeah. Oh. Let's go put this in the freezer. So 30 minutes has passed, and let's get the squishies. Okay, I'm here now, and let's get the squishies. Oh my God. So here's the squishies. So here are the squishies, so I'm just gonna pull them out one by one. So let's get this one first, and let's see. Whoa, that actually got a lot. Wait, I don't know if it got a lot squishier. It kind of got a lot squishier. As you can see, it's like kind of rising. Okay, so here's that one. Okay, let's pull this macaron out. Okay, let's see if it got squishy. Whoa, this got so much squishy, so much squishier. Oh my God. So this is kind of like this, and this one is a thumbs up. Look how squishy it is. Okay, so here's that one. Okay, it's the hamburger squishy. Let's see if it got squishier. That actually got a lot squishier. So yeah, that's a thumbs up. Oh, so far it's all of these are thumbs up. Okay, here's the bun squishy. Here's the bun squishy. That actually got, this is a thumbs down because it didn't get a lot squishier. But it did got a lot softer though. The last squishy is this heart squishy. Oh, my camera's too shaky. It's like one of the squishy pet peeves. I'm like one of the squishy pet peeves, but yeah, here's this one. Okay, let's see if it got squishier. Whoa! This actually got a lot squishier. Okay, I'm gonna be doing more squishy experiment because all of these got squishier except for this one. Except for this one. Oh my god, I can't believe this got squishier. I actually hope they stay like this. Let's see if it stays like squishy. So that's another experiment. So bye guys, hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So bye. Oh yeah, bye. Oh my god.